Alright folks, today I got the iRobot Roomba 580 model. This Roomba is used, but it's in great shape and it works great. The battery is used on it and it lasts about an hour, and that's a carpet and hardwood mix. So basically I'll show you quickly what I got here included. So we've got one cleaning tool, one extra brand new side brush, one extra brand new filter, two slim virtue walls. These guys are in great shape, but they do require two C-size batteries each. Alright, also got the power adapter or charger. Got a docking station right here, it's in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. So here's the 580 model. If you guys notice, there might be some blemishes, some light scratches on it. It's from normal use, going underneath the beds and furniture somewhat. So on pictures, you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area. Might be hard to see in the video. Alright, here's the back side of it. The three-legged brush here is pretty good shape, and the front wheel is almost like new. I'm going to remove the dustbin so you guys can take a look inside. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get a pretty nice clean Roomba. There's the serial number in case anybody interested in. And the brushes also have been here cleaned out and disinfected. And the gears on this clean head module also have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. I'll show you guys how it works. So everything has been tested, make sure everything works correctly. And here's a straight run I'm gonna do. That way you guys see that the bumper sensors work correctly. So here's a straight run. Here you have it. Thanks for watching.